My name's Peter Googe, Product Manager with KUHN, and behind me here we have our Excelerator XT8010. This accelerator is equipped with our new Smart Soil technology system. The Excelerator XT8010 is our product of choice for customers looking for vertical tillage solutions. So with this machine we are able to work with gang angles from 1 through to 8 degrees. From 1 degree to 5 degrees is our vertical tillage range. In that range we're going to use the blades that you see on the machine there, the Excalibur blade, to cut and size residue and move a bit of soil and get that residue soil contact to help that residue break down over winter and make sure that we've got good residue breakdown come planting in the spring. We also have that 6 to 8 degree range then, which is our extended tillage range, and this is what a customer can use to get that bit more soil movement, use a little bit more aggressiveness on those blades to pull out wheel tracks, kill weeds, and just turn the soil a little bit blacker than they maybe normally would with just the vertical tillage machine. We've got the Excelerator XT available in widths of 11 feet all the way up to 40 feet, 11 and 14 feet rigid, and then 20, 25, 30, 34 and 40 foot folding machines. All the accelerators are equipped with the Excalibur VT blade. This is a 32 flute blade which gives us excellent clod sizing, and that blade also wears sharp as well, so throughout the life of the blade it keeps its cutting edge and always slices through that residue. In the middle of the machine here you can see we have these heavy duty tines. Especially when we get up to those more aggressive gang angles, we want to control the flow of soil and residue off those front blades and bring it down so everything lands within the machine. We don't want to risk throwing soil and residue outside the working width of the machine, and that's what these tines are going to do for us. Control the flow, bring everything back down, and then it's picked up and moved again by the rear gangs. The depth of frame on the accelerator is really important. We want to make sure that everything has landed in the middle of the machine before we pick it up for a second time, and don't throw directly from the front gangs into the rear gangs, which can lead to some kind of porpoising from the machine in the field. At the back of the machine we've got the star wheels. The star wheels on the accelerator have a number of jobs. They have some concavity to them and they're mounted on an angle, as you can see, and they'll do some great leveling at the back of the machine. They also anchor residue. So we're not trying to really bury residue with this. We want that residue on the surface. That's great for capturing snow and for help preventing soil erosion through wind, but we want to make sure the residue stays where it is. So those star wheels, they anchor the residue and then they kind of dollop soil on top of it so that residue remains fixed in the field and doesn't just get blown out the field and into the ditch. I mentioned at the beginning that the accelerator we have here is equipped with Smart Soil technology. Smart Soil technology is a new feature available on the Excelerator XT8010, and it brings electronic control of all the major features of the machine into the cab through an ISOBUS display. So we're AEF certified ISOBUS here. We can work with other ISOBUS compatible displays from the tractor manufacturer or from other third parties. We also have our own display. With Smart Soil technology, we can control the front and rear gang angle, the working depth, the wing down pressure, the star wheel down pressure, and also the front rear attitude of the machine, the front rear level of the machine. All of these settings can be put into a series of presets, so you can adjust everything individually, or you can store the favorite settings into up to 8 presets, and then you can adjust multiple things all at once. Unique to Smart Soil technology from any of the competitors is a preset only mode. We all know that there are operators out there who you maybe don't want to give complete control of the machine to. You know, there's always a learning curve with these machines, and not every operator is going to be able to make best use of individually adjusting all of those features that I mentioned. Preset only mode allows the customer to set a few of those presets, activate preset only mode, and then the operator can only access those presets. So they can have one preset for the main body of the field, one preset for the end rows, and that's all the operator will be able to use. On the top of the machine here, you can see our AE50 award. Smart Soil Technology was awarded the AE50 award here this week, and we're very pleased that it has gained the recognition for being this truly innovative product. For more information on the Excelerator, Smart Soil Technology, or anything in the KUHN range, please visit us at KUHN.com.
Murdoch with KUHN North America. We're here today to showcase our new OWR 6000 inline bale wrapper. We can wrap up to 6-foot round bales. We just won a ASABE 50 award for this new product to the KUHN line. We're building off of our 30 years of experience of table wrappers, but now we're doing the inline form. This machine is built in Brodhead, Wisconsin. Some unique features to this machine is that we have all of our electronic controls on it. So right from the terminal, you can set your bale width, height, and diameter, and the machine will automatically calculate how fast the plunger speed needs to go in accordance to the hoop speed. As standard, we have 2 film stretchers, which stretch at 70%. We can get an optional up to 4. We also have a remote control that you can control the machine steering from inside the cab of your skid steer or tractor or whatever you're loading with. We also have film break detection, so if a film roll were to break, it'll automatically compensate and slow the hoop speed down, so you always are applying the correct number of film layers. Another unique feature to the KUHN OWR 6000 is that we have the dual drive poly wheels to drive the hoop. So they're poly blocks that'll drive that hoop to always stay in constant contact with them, and we never have to worry about inflating those tires. So if you're interested in this OWR 6000, feel free to contact your local KUHN dealer or visit us at www.kuhn-usa.com.